One thing that I've learned the hard way is that no course is an end all for social media marketing, because you have to continue to get yourself educated on changes, developments, opportunities, things that don't work anymore. And if you don't, you're going to become a dinosaur in no time. So it's very, very important that you stay up to date. Let's start with the Messenger and ManyChat updates. There's a couple of major ones. So for example, colors and logos are now available in the QR code generator. But as you guys know, we are very, very into doing this because it's actually quite effective. And it's great for business cards, for flyers, for promotion, for sticking on labels, for putting on a retail store, a brick and mortar. Is great for lead generation, and it's becoming easier and easier to get it done. All right, super, super easier these days to actually get people to subscribe through a QR code. So you no longer need to pay for any third-party app. ManyChat has now upgraded the QR code function to add a logo, change background color, and change foreground color. It's now fully customizable for your brand. Okay, so let me show you something. All right, something that is really cool. It's gonna give you an idea on the power of these QR codes. We have seen QR codes for a very, very long time. They have been around for ages, probably a couple decades by now. But they never really took off because people would not generally download QR code third-party apps. They didn't know how to use them. They were confused. And it was only on some use case scenarios in which they would actually use a QR code. But they are quite powerful, and they are right now more effective than ever. And they have been lifted from the graves, and now people are starting to use them more. And I can tell you that ourselves, we're using it to generate subscribers in large quantities right now through many different channels. Here's one example, okay? This right here, okay? This is a business card, okay? And I'll show you how that works. Obviously, that's a QR code, okay? And I'm gonna connect my phone, all right? And you guys will see in a second how that looks and how simple, how user-friendly it all is. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen right now with my phone. Okay, good, so that's my phone right there, okay? So check it out, all right? I'm gonna show you how simple this is and how easy the QR codes are working right now. Because this is the thing, right now, the developments of the platforms, you no longer need QR code reader apps. You don't need any of that stuff, all right? All you need is a cell phone with a camera. Android devices and iPhone devices, which is 98% of the market pretty much, they are actually quite effective at reading QR codes with their camera app. So you gotta just give people some instructions. Like for example, step number 1, open up your phone. Step number 2, click on the camera icon. Step number 3, this is my desk right here, guys. You can see right there, boom. Step number 3, go ahead and grab the QR code and point it. Boom. AGM marketing, that's the one you're supposed to open. Open, oh, there we go. All right, so it says you have entered this conversation, and then here we go. That's my business card right there on Messenger. Okay, Manuel Suarez, CEO of AGM Agency, AGMagency.com, ManuelSuarez.com, contact at, here's the information. If you have coordination or contact that you want to get done, please email Paola at AGMagency.com with your request. This is basically my executive assistant, right? So you see how simple it is? I want you to think about how to use this for your business. Like if you have a product, for example, let's say you have this product. We are working on building this out, by the way, all right? So if you have a product like this, okay, one thing that you can do, we talked about this in the past, but the money's in the list, right? So why are we not more focused on looking for opportunities to build our list so we can continue expanding? It would be so much easier to sell stuff. The power of a list is so big that when you have a big one, you don't suffer financially. You can grow your business at any time. So for example, customers that are already buying your product, why are you not figuring out a way to add a QR code with some instructions or a little like label on it that says something like, hey, would you like to get entered to win a 1-year supply of this product or to win a $500 gift card? Just follow these steps and I'm going to enter you into the contest. Very simple. And I'm also going to give you instructions on how to get the most out of this product. Step 1, open up your phone. Step 2, click on the camera icon. Step 3, point at this QR code. Step 4, select get started. And that's it. You've been entered. Congratulations. As simple as that. All right. So here we go. Let's go for the steps again. I don't have it on a product here right now, but we are testing this out on many different areas, including having booths that when we go to events, if any of you guys saw me in Conversations, 2019 Messenger Marketing Conference, our t-shirts were QR codes. We had flyers, and also on the slide decks were delivered with QR codes. And we got thousands of people opting into our Messenger channel. It's that simple, right? So let's check it out again. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen again. And we go over here. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my phone and I'm gonna point on it. I got the camera right here and I'm gonna point on it and boom, we get it, this one right here, QR code, click on it. And that's it. A couple of clicks, very simple. I got an actual business card delivered to somebody, all right? So think about it in any way that applies to your business. You can say, congratulations, you've been entered into the contest. You got a subscriber. You can add another step to extract the phone number if you wanted to. Many, many different things that you can do with this. Get the idea? Okay.